Come on then. Come on then, buddy. Yay! So good to see you. I was wondering where you were all these days. Come on then. Hang on. Can you get the nut? You've gone behind me. Okay. There you go, buddy. Oh, it's good to see you. Are you having a think about it? Yeah, probably better. It's up in the tree. Okay. Probably more relaxing to sit up there. And Mrs. Brown is back, perched on your throne. Okay, I'm going to give you some food. Here comes John the Seagull. Oh, John. And John's coming back. There's John.